Good morning everyone, I am Saksham Sharma.
I am Rakshit Bhardwaj.
Here to present a Capstone project on Diwali sales analysis. First of all, for the project, we have downloaded data from Kaggle. After downloading, now we are opening this data in Jupyter Notebook. After opening, we have loaded data in the Jupyter Notebook. And to start with the project, we have imported all the required libraries and then loaded our data frame. After loading the data frame, we have checked for rows and columns by using the save function. After using the save function, we have dropped unnecessary columns from the data frame. After dropping the unnecessary columns from the data frame, we have checked for null values and removed all the null values from the data frame. After removing the null values, we have checked the shape of our data frame again. Then after checking the shape, we pre-process data in pre-processing. We checked the data inconsistency and checked for outliers. And after doing the above mentioned, we removed the outliers and removed the unnecessary values in the data. After removing, we used two validation methods which were train test split. We used cost validation to evaluate different models and compare their performance in predicting sales. Among the methods tested, linear regression model achieved the highest sales prediction score based on its strong results, and we selected linear regression as a final model. Now, I would like to hand over Rakshit for the project.
Now, by using Seaborn, we will analyze data and plot graph of count versus gender. We get to know that female count is more than that of male. Then, plot graph of amount versus gender. We get to know that females spend more amount than male. Firstly, we analyze the number of married and unmarried customers. For that, need to plot graph of count versus marital status. After plotting graph, we can see that most of the buyers are married. Then we plotted graph of amount versus marital status and applied differentiation of gender to separate bars on the basis of gender. We can see that most of the buyers are married women. To analyze order versus state, now we are going to use C1 from above graph. We can see that most of the orders are from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Of amount versus state, from above graph we can see that most of the total amount are from Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka respectively. So we have to analyze occupation wise count and amount of customers. We have to plot graph of count versus occupation and also plot graph of amount versus occupation. From the graph we can see that most of the buyers are working in IT, healthcare and aviation sector. Need to plot graphs of count versus product category and amount versus product category. From above graph we can see that most of the sold products are from food, clothing and electronic category. Now I would like to call Saksham to conclude our project.
So, after analyzing of Diwali sales, we get to know that married women of age group 26 to 35 from UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, those who work in IT sector, aviation sector and healthcare are more likely to buy products from categories such as food, clothing and footwear and electronic devices. Thank you.